Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 8 raised to power s is equal to 30. Solution. Eight raised to power s is equal to 30. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 8 raised to power s is equal to log 30. Now here we have s log 8 is equal to log 30. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by log 8. This divided by log 8. This log 8 cancel this log 8. S is equal to log 30 divided by log 8. But 30 is equal to 15 multiplied by 2. S is equal to log 15 multiplied by 2 divided by log 8. If you have log AB, this is equal to log A plus log B. S is equal to log 15 plus log 2 divided by log 8. S is equal to log 15 divided by log 8 plus log 2 divided by log 8. S is equal to 15 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. Then 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Then we have log 5 multiplied by 3 divided by log 8 plus log 2 divided by log 8. S is equal to log 5 divided by log 8 plus log 3 divided by log 8 plus log 2 divided by log 8. S is equal to log 5 divided by log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 3 divided by log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 2 divided by log 2 raised to power 3. S is equal to log 5 divided by 3 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 3 log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 divided by log 2 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 2. Now if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. Then S is equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 plus 1 over 3 log 3 base 2. Therefore, S is equal to 1 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 over 3. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 8 raised to power s is equal to 30. Then when s is 1 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 over 3, here we have 8 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 over 3 must be equal to 30. Now 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 bracket 1 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 over 3 must be equal to 30. This cancel this. Then we have 2 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 must be equal to 30. Now this can be written as 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 must be equal to 30. If you have a raised to power log c base a, this is equal to c. This can be written as 2 raised to power 1 is 2 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 multiplied by the whole of this is 3 must be equal to 30. 2 times 5, 10 times 3, this is 30 is equal to 30, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.